Hey, greetings everyone. Hey, I just wanted to take a minute to just talk to you a little bit about the BoingFlip method. I posted a blog on this. Please go check it out. The BoingFlip method basically is inspired by the TV series called Scrubs, which if you know me, well, you'll know I'm a huge fan of Scrubs. But basically the BoingFlip method comes from the expression that goes, I am rubber and you're glue, and the words that you say to me bounce off of me and stick back on you. So you probably remember saying that when you're a kid. It worked. That's the crazy thing about it, is it worked. And many of us that recall doing that, in those moments, we walked away unscathed. The reason it works is because you're effectively talking that voice off that ledge that is saying that you're this or you're that. And of course, when you're a kid, that voice is often coming from your peers who are often very mean and cruel, but also that voice gets embedded in your own mind and it reinforces sometimes a voice that you're often hearing. But we don't do that very well as adults. One reason I think that's the case is because we don't do very well using our imaginations, or we think that we're crazy for talking to ourselves, because that's basically what we have to do. So we have to talk those parts of ourselves off the ledge that is whispering this poison into our ear that is saying you're not good enough, you're not this, or you're not that. And that's what, in essence, we're doing when we're making other people's problems our problem, is that we need to make those our problems so we can fix them, and that in turn proves to ourselves that we are good enough, or that we can do things right, or that we are important, or that we're loved. And so the Boing-Flip method in Scrubs was something that one of the characters did to reflect on the rubber glue metaphor. So the words are tossed out at him, the insults are tossed out at him, and it hits him, and he flips it back. Boing flip. It bounces off of me and sticks on you. So it's boing flip. This is actually something that I have my clients do to help them own their own stuff and not own the problems of other people. So go check out that article. In that, I actually put some tips in there on how to use the Boing-Flip method effectively. So I hope you find it useful, and until next time.